was sending me video and now some a dientina was sending me some video. Me creke so ya. Oba besia no. Oh so me hwe se metima bobi a kirewa. Ba kono de me ntumi mo. Koso nseme wo mu no just set na ehu kwan obefa so a ode saade no. Was sending me video. I'm sending a video ni. Me ko hwe a. Nas na me ka sikedura asem. Na me before
because that's what doing now is get down.
So quite fast with the GB. But Mr. Meet me for a bush in the Biancoji.
Oh, okay.
Mama, why not coming from Kungoja?
Really? Are you kidding me? What's your money for this camera?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What do you call Mama?
Yeah. So maybe now, not be a young friend. Maybe I won't name you, you know anything. We waste no time. We need to go there for. Now we just come out for now. No one can be a scanning one now. It's a witch.
We didn't continue, bro. And then you move free, you are saying.
So we want to put a pot in the man. What do you call a man? Let's not come back and what mean you. But how we knew why I'm
not saying, oh, I reckon now come back and the discuss about the room.
I had a motor say Russia. It is a Russia war, and don't worry. When you meet Shauna, so strong. Who's wrong? Who's wrong? Oh, Jesus. All right. Better than jeans I get you, okay? Sister, I'm sorry I should secret you. Now I ask them. Oh, sorry I should secret. Now I ask them. Ubian control. Oh, yes, a man's a woman. Oh, sorry I should ask my dear. Now, yes, a man's a woman. Hey, what? Ora wa me pa chopa. Fara wo no ko bebe. Fa no ko to trash. Mrs. Shazikati, now he has the bema. Okay? Shall someone you know yes, someone. No offense, okay? Let me shall. And let me know within common. Yes, Christo, I adore. Yada soti asikecha manda ya boju moja edi mofusani. Obi beka say mama notoa, is it okay for a Christian woman to put a hoodie on? Yes, because we cover our hair, right? It's okay. As long as I'm enough mungu ho, misire mungu ho no, it's okay. To put the hoodie on to cover your hair. Nti un say omoya obu ha no a Brazilian wig na igu ne toso. Un say mabomi duku. What more can't we do as Christians? Dear na into me, I am a real person who is. What can't we do? The dear na into me, I just will be a trousers answer. Me quite exercise. Me shall me secret tinting. Me peer, me clear, mammy and quite tam. Me quite dear, I'm see you. Me pianos. Or let me show me for or sausage. Intinum senade never or way agent close or saying minini comrica side by side with the skirt. Okay? Minini comrica side by side with the skirt. We won't let them deceive us no more. We can look cool. You want to look like a burger. This is it. You can okay, you don't need trousers and sana. Wear skirt to look like a woman. and my shape is different. Said you when you miss boy, is so totally different. What show bad there? It keeps you very beautiful. It keeps you shape. Ubi biya ko shem kama. O shirt trousers a draw ni pediane to say you be a sculpture dear ya draw bibi. A dear siwo. A ye figure ni na ba bunting. Ne say you sa. And my 7 previous when you who said a jamamofo. But boy different until na yata dear no a round no a shay na cover your home. But say who shirt trousers na a you figure ni na yes so your hips and your toe and they said you nyamia and you different from men. Bema shirt trousers are me when find attractive. But oba shirt trousers and no say you figure ninti. And my who be bia until Deuteronomy 22:5 kaya. And they say was say oba in shirt berema de no berema so in fra oba kan. So what you say? Now say me on social media. Brem maybe wash a skirt, what you train about betoa. Or she could be so for. I think it's Irish for and almost a skirt and no cry na festivals, they wear something like a skirt. Okay? They put this in our country for people to learn. Until you want to be aseno, who was a wish no social skirt. Nina say all those transgender or more modern semans a woman for no. A member no almost say, or more person more kojo besia for no. Na dani bibi nti wo yesaya he's paving the way for those men o bokwan ato sam men mebo. So what you say wo be shirt trousers na wo be man bibu ma e say men ma to me shirt skirt won hwe na ma shirt skirt na a high fashion. No, I don't call that fashion. No, I don't call that signature. No, I call it madness. Sanity. You way you krum Nigeria for so na yes, I'm say Igbo for. Almost so they do it occasionally. They do that. No, the name Nikom. Okay, we are not like that. But don't bring somebody's family realm and manko for being taking advantage because many be person more than mama. Ntu ko skirt sa was yo. Be ma cry in the name of Mitimisha skirt. And then mema be titi radio so near kaba. It doesn't make sense. And why? So you promote nyama bebre and they call it fashion. No. No. It's abomination. So oberma ebe sha obadi. It's big time abomination. So oberma be sha obadi. You talk about it, they say it's fashion. No. When you see something like that, don't copy it. Please do not copy such things. And more in koye and ube uno bermana asumadi shanasum asumadi ye ma and they washe ye asumadi eden afedi berme ko asumadi ya ye free asumadi ye bia afedi skete na memma eshe. It doesn't make sense. We are Christian, stay away from this. We are a branch of in West Sister. What percent you make mobile? Stay away from an abomination. In Koye, the obonifoni promote no. When you talk about it, they say you won't say no. You done the bonny papa, and you done the papa bonny. You painty bonny, you see a fashion. It does not make sense. Please stay away from it. In Koyi, or Bonifono Chrawadi, or more picture for or draw attention if you win your mean and the work of say, and you are not ready to follow. And it is our baby to no who picture be, or Baba maybe to oh, when he pass Messi cry, was shed no. A Irish for almost festival and drew Irish day. No much theatre skirt, no mukutadia, no monam krum, no much green. A your own culture, or money yes, I so what I say? Inti yemfama ye and Nigerians em se Igbo for and o mahemfo no o mu fra no te se ntoma no wa hye na tade no na yi no egugu ni kom. Okay, and no so krampo no me gini ye pa se So obi te sa culture nim na wonyame de ne nsaka na onhye saa de ne nkogina popet anim so wo preach akire obi onhye saa de ne nko asori obi yi ne ho afirim. Christianity is a nation. Ye be ye Christopher a de wiase ye bia ye nka ho. Ye tie ye ho efiri ho. Wiase shirt trousers we don't wear trousers. So what you say? Ye nyesa. Wiase shirt emema, wiase emema e omu wiase e shirt skirt ya. Emema omu Christom ye shirt skirt. That kind of fashion ye nimbi. And inti obonefo ni penti ni ma bebre. E de ba e friend say e ye normal na enemi no be din komo when was the last dabempa last week enemi hu se video bi metia na set e send me video na o send me video no me po many pre no me buy one time send me video o send me video na asamaba edi entina o send me say video me kokreke so hwe ya oba besia ono no so me hwe se metima bobi a kirewa ba kono de mintumi mo koso nseme wo mu no gise set na ehu kwan obefa so a ode saade no o send me video na se na de video ni me ko hwe na na me ka sikadura asem. Now maybe first.
Because that's what doing now is get down.
So quite fast to the GB. But Mr. Means me farm a boost in Indian project.
Oh, okay.
Mama, why not come from Congo?
Really? Are you kidding me? What's your money as a for this February?
Yeah. Yes, car.
Oh, you go on,
yeah. So maybe now. No, they are young friends. Maybe they are more near you, you know anything. We waste no time. We don't need to go there for. Now when you come out, Rana. No one can be the scanning one. Eh, so what you?
We didn't continue, Drew. And then you move free, you are saying.
So we want to put a box in the man. What's the cool in the man? Let's not come back, man. What's the meaning? But I wouldn't quite.
Now, say, oh, worry. Now, who Bema the Kodista, 7 man the womb.
Thank you. So, say, me patch out in here, pa. Baby, I drew. Sa baby, I drew, say, we are seeing, say, baby, I drew. Ulu sugar the Kakarabia. Ubi. Ebe say life. Ubi kuma to watch me. Easy. Because baby ye drew say nipa nsuro de obeye as long as obenye sika no e kwan bi obefa so a obenye sika eno na wo hwere mi si so na nka mete so ye so obi adi sikadura na bi e bema obi dru kwa na we papa panimu bi ye so wagi sikaduro now oba na wa wo no udi ulusu god what do beje Ntina sabri ye come for Jesus Christ mo bibi ase. Jani to Yesu Kristo ko sheni nyinu na se because we asi we amumuya doso nti ama bebre do anojo. Nipa epe wo mo ho anya. Nipa epe wo mo ho anya ntem. Nti koye wode wo befa so wo benya no ho. Nipa ensu ade biem. Nipa ni ehum bi na nipa so biem. Ne wiase ade bia ekwa wiye a ya na ayehu pa sisi ye wiase ne ko na wiye no de ekoso nyina ayehu nti sa wote ho no wamfa unipadie na nkoshe Yesu Kristo nsa ama na guide wa obi be kum just like that obi be kum atwachire just like that nti na yetu nipa biafo entina wiase sa ne wiase ne ba bia keka kono emumu ya doso na wono bato wa usuro no wono nua to wa usuro no wono kunu to wa usuro no wono wadamfo to wa usuro no se nipa ne nkuka Kristo de waso wo Kristo kura no se ni Kristo som no eye de sai kosia man kwa Kristo som e wo so hwe ni ye so what you say nti na ayehu you can't trust anyone because nipa woni wo bite Ubetimi wo ba no wode ne ba na kwa kowura e de say okotumi. Sisterhood, brotherhood. No wode wakohye no wode wada ne ni dwan. E wo ma no wanya de omo pepe ye tene poma na e betene wo so ye kokun ano no. Ye be ma ne hu se ba bi aduru no ni pasmesi ne wo so ku no wo mfa ho obi ku e de agisika. Ebre wo ye bra ye duru mu a se berman yire nyem ne yire nyem no wo kogisika duro no wo duru wura ne ho no wo se mi chante picture bi e baba bi afase kan wo no na picture ne beto na ye ne yire pemfo a wo de be wo no ama moje tu obebe fie ne yire di miti o se akoso be ko no mpara kakra onim de wakokoye wo be ku ne sika bi wiase ne duru wiase no sese baby e gina no baby aduru no nti wonama nti na de bia ye bodawu fa homa Jesus mra ye wu no eye brebone. We are living in a dangerous time. Nipa ni abadaye biem nipa ni humobro biem nipa di bone first na nka yestro oh yes bayfo sese die bone nipa di ne physical no e chambe yi sese wo mo upgrade wo mo self be ye die nka ne edu tam wo kodi de bone a o sakra ko ne mudumba we die wonkuta bayi badi obi tire wonum aka moja gu no ya na ehu e say nipa nsuro so wo be chi obi no wa chi ni moja nyina enen ka first ne ntisa ena wo beti so obi ewuda wo de muntu wani hwe ye man ganam se this say nipa kuma doso me kai first ye ti mi kwa afum ekurase Saturday ni akwa afum unka ho wo papa wo be kwa eja eni me isa yiri uni ekwan a wonam so wonko a etu bi etimi suma wa najo anado be na wonko wonam kokko ase isum ebia na kan ya mekutawo na de nam wonko a wo be kwa ba asumdwem hwenyew enne try ne be wo hyewo fom no obi be ba bekum obi be ba betwu moja eja wato ho because ni pechensi wiase. Baby, you drew this time, no? Are you humpa? Until me catch you, we need to force it. Johnny to Jesus Christ. And yes, sir. Ubi be kunkwa. Ubi kunkwa. So what is it you see, Kasa? What's in here to see a drawing in any didn't now unim. Say, Cran, the woman one professional, who sings, say, who do why is a fatty way brass in me. First, you do begin brother join cool sisterhood, brotherhood, near to cool anything. Yet to be born, Miss me body so when I know when you tell my body so sa or my boss. So what Jim who could disturb who he be a cheer jack. So will be a catcher say cool be, who buy a bow, what you make also, what is more than that, Jai. In Casaman control. Saman fobi di kubi, eh, bra. Obe John Kuya, who business no because they say no, Nipa ni bibira kwaji edru, nti waji me say, wadwuma na wo bi ye no, okra nipa wo store mu che nipa smesi. Wo location no kra ye good pa. Nso nipa smesi ye tonne de ase wo de. Wan hyi entutu nam anwia kakra. Ama wo nyame mfiri sora medum wa. Wan hyi wo be kokoji sikaduru. Na anim so waji. E say wo monam, ye betuma be feel store na mana ye ma. Sister ye mo o. Your mouth paper be kekese. It's more than that. As long as you go, no. By the time I bet child say you way no. Na baby would do no sign what you are no sign what you are ye. Or bana who call one and any priest canoe. It told be our friend or so one for because you was so sick. I won't find man. She need ba. Nesicanibra one for when you will be. Abrantiana. Woba wonche yesika kutawa no waje no woko da wonye sika de bi no wato wajeje mu no hwemi ye na sika di nanim wonya wo bekum woba na le libra de na mame se wonhwe ye wonye beba ho so na woba no waje waje sika duro woba no wo bekum enne me se wonu e bi nya sika bi na nte ase a hwe ye na sha ase fa no kompai bom wo maami bi tiase akoso bom pae ma no ne ma ne ntiase se maami no gusu gunkra e de on pack ne bag na nko ontu free gan ontu onko pe this Buddha be no question. Because this time they don't spare nobody. And yes, sir, stay away from equal. It's more than equal. Listen, we are Christians. You're not equal. You don't use to Christo cool. Christo, asafono. Yesu Christo. Wa me yam kosen san krata bia wo babia. Who kwana you be true baby. Yes, you also sacrifice ade we. Ehia moja smesi. When you be bow ho so, why she you wo ba no wo do no. Wo be yine fira sase so. Why she you wo ma me na nti wo so woni baby tia. Nti wo to e say ehumni ham. E dey ko pesi ka bre no. At the end of the day, they will request her. Listen to this. Said ye ni pekumu de debi. Ba se basa me mfa me kunu be ma nkogye a. Ne se wo de be ma kogye ticket do kunu no kora ke. Wo wie no was ni wiase oba ya chese wo wie no. So what you say? Wo wie no kora. Wo mo no. The Bible no come Mark chapter 8 verse 36. Mark chapter 8 verse 36. Ni enkoya de. Was na se onipa enya wiase nyina. Na wo hwere ne kra. Mfaso ben na obenya. Sindi pa utna sasi so. Na de wo bia wo betumi no. Ye sacrifice kojistika to tofie sisi adan to tokas jiji plot sisi hotel. Na wo kra ne kuta wo wo hwere a mfaso ben na wo so. Na wo hu se kristonia mfaso ben na wo so. So what you say? Mfaso bi ni so ne maba wa aba omo mpa adwuma. Bebre ne mpa adwuma. Adwuma nsam omo so ne promote wo. Video ba ko na lebi no the way wo show ba wo te ho. Na wo hwe nsam free na no ba. Wo ye say ya me de me phone de wo frɛ me phone so a e bia opese sebseb mprebiasa wo twetwe be ma me ye ni say ya ma na wa ye say chese anima ekoso wo mo sankofu yi ene ebo mo betene TV so na wo ba bia ni tini ni fie na wo busa koshi na wo mo kire na wo di educate wo mo me kai mre bi ekuma mama zimbi start niema we ya e wo gan o wie ye Satan person wo bre wase a ekuma do fa so na ya na e nwa okofa sofo my be one friend Pastor Parkins just to tell you say ade na oye no enye bone nti wone papa ne te ho ni yeyi obi oni obi da na sofo te ho na o ma ho comment e wo national TV mpanimfo ya nka ho hwe anadwo ede say ye meye o mo university high school si so o mada so o mada so sia dia anadwo ede eni nti etu a adwamamo amane ekuma mama zimbi adwuma wo hye ase no enya nkura bata bebre a eseye ma nti ababa wasi so a so wodi ne nsa we be adwuma no wo benya bibie di no she will rather adopa wo be hia no nam o mo friend slay queen idure ni mira na adwuma wo ye different wagye dan tim na adwuma wo ye different ye mpani for wo mo set example njere yet ye na national security mpani for wo di mine ni man ko mbeda agye no mine no na bibi ba wo so nyame ama nyame aka wo machi na se bibi ba wo mine mu a wo nyame de wo ho brase ene wo mo sompa apo wo masafuchi dom abo wo mine ho bra no and all of a sudden you be who social media no ba besia akola ketwa ne yemba ejira ho ye na change your style and my papa panimu leadership by example and company fu be set example amma ye nchiri mahia no na papa panimu da ho na akola na enye dai nti now so obi be keke jamansam ana obeye edisai etu obokuru tutu bra ye man platform ba se wo ba te se me preaching say Daniel Jamamo sikadru nkwaje bi fa wo ma Jesus Christ me menu masam no mubu ne nkwase asem nti e jamamo a o man na mu ni hwinti onyam kopon so wajaye wode ya man fi misi wona ayi samanse woman foi Bema wadane no ho ba no mu busa se nti ade a wo ye na ye. When was the last time who said 10 commandment? Onyankopon I say that shall not do transgender. Was 10 commandment when you antro no. Do you see the way they talk? And into what should I say? The ono no ye good. Say kayama wo mu wiase nyansa a wo mo de kasa kire nipa. And na mabawa nka Nyankopon sem ka wo Joel chapter 2 verse 28 say die die kire no obehie no honhom agu mabawa ne mrantie so no. And na die yema yi ni mu social media TV so nti and the same time ehie ne honhom agu mabawa ne mrantie so aso den akola ne be wi aso mre ahye ne maame ne papa se no onya 18 onya 20 woso wanyini odi ne ho so. Fane kotu adwuma mu hwe onye. Why? Well, you're bigger than that. You're back in the family school. School so you so be. Most of the ladies, omo university, omo juma, and say omo yesie queens. You be say omo kuku hotels. Na nkofo ne omo da. And to check you bana brabo. Now she said you sit here. Don't waste your money. Say we send them to university. Because abrabo we you na di wo fie na nkyerɛ sɛ wo kɔ hɔ no ma. Wo kɔ bra no ho asua bibi. Edina waje so to university. Waje ne say wo ba to university. Nso no oburu nyaman. Fa no koto ade pam mu. O se menye eyekolo. So what you say? Fa no koto adwuma bi e beboa no. Obeye nsa no dwuma o se da bi. Ni nyina ne say, o mpese obebere no ho asia hwe obi ase. O pese wo de no ho. Obi a pese wo nye freedom. No de ye di ope. But it just say ababawa wo hye na ne wagase abrantie wo tene fie ne yetetewo ne ma onimdie ye kire wade na dachi wo pie na maame ne papa ne ho doma wa mmere wo wiase. Bible ne kan wo se pre ne bekwa wie ya awofo ma ho asem asom wo so den fo beba aso den ma si se ye ma no so den wo tire ho ntiase ni nyina ne se wo pene ho nya wo pentam wo pese wo nya ne ho abraba wo bonu so many years no ono no pese wo de one day inya e de na be mo de one day enya wa anya kromfo a agese wo ye dwamanfo agese wo kwaji sikaduro enti ne mrantia nkaban na nko mbe ye adwuma no enne wo be ko no nyina tete dem o mo tete cafe ni ete computer ho na ye nkofo sakawa wo mo page maden wo hyedem no ne trousers da me to so enti wo pe quick money but wo so mfa na beti enkonko ya adwuma enti wo bi baba behind no so wo ye killer wo nkukum bi ma no enti mi buso so we de wiase ye japade nyina na wo kra no wo hwere a mfa so be na wo so onyankopon wo se wa ma ye mfie duoso aporo so kra ye duowotwe ebinum kra nu sa na wo na mafamba ho hwede abesin se wiem yare ekodi wu aben still I maybe ye maba wa ne ye mranti obi aso mfantu ne hofo obi ase mfantu ne hofo na maame pani a e wo se sabri baby e wodru no wono no tena se no wo kire emaiwa emrantie nyansa wo mo de bebo bra no ete wo busa baba wa se da ko ne mema se ne timi da ne koya wo si ekeka nsam no kora no wotumu se maami ne tini fie wo ye mebo fie wo bokuro obia pese ni TV stations ye tie no ye hwam obia pese ni radio station ye tie no nti nkwase asempia emfate Kristo asempa no mo dia ba betena ho ni ye promote wanka wo so ya baba wate se wo mo a anka wo so nyame ne nsa kan wa nka wo so kan nyame asem no anka wo mo fa wo mum enko tire TV no so na wo so bam papa ene di nyame de wo ye no emma maba wa ne bi ene mranti ne bi sua no wo ne ye pia wa hyentan ne ye ka wa hye ni nyina ne se sakra wadwe no they are not ready to listen because mpelifo na wo mu no sa suban no wo ne wo mma wo nyina wo the same suban nim nti one day to before one day chire we say jai nti wo ba be kasa ma baba wa de jeje mama ma papa no be de nya e de say ababa wa no nada abaya no be de nya sugar daddy dia koso wo man nim no wo chire ho nti ase mpempenso ye duru me se hwe wo 3 ye hwe wo ti ye na wan hwe ye na wo ye wo kosia man kwa Kristo suma obi be ku kwa obe sell life kwa obi shin wasi akonya kwa obe mo wu se diboye ni so what you say ntine you foot for no so womo ye betu omo betu fo so a ye ma womo chance e ma womo ma metena afidikase so a e betu maba wade mrante fo na bi ye bia womo sinjan e ne ye de womo nkuta omo nkuta ewugu bra na nka sofo de nka wano kuta nimde sofo nka wano ekuta nimde na ku mama mazibia to ne boss a che sofo frede di ne fia so dem ababa betu they say national TV radio station kese e de baba betena so e comment oba ne memada no wo boni din Pastor Parkins no wa kire wo say o pastor kora na ti wo yese ntinya bone saadi we nam so e ma mema be bre a wo mo ware chimpna fini wo mo yire mochi e ye ni ma nsem fata e brunya maya ayasumdue ni awadim sese because of this sabri kamiye yese sa wo yire na woni mpena wo nkyɛn a onka ho sabri kamiye yese sa wo kunu na woni mpena wo nkyɛn abrabo no onka ho woni mie so what you say nese nipa wonya wiase nyina na wo hwere ne kra mfaso ni nyina nso nkosi eye sika ya ni pepe sika ya o ene nipa epe bi o Bible no call Romans chapter 1 mo bo bibiri bi o Bible no call Romans chapter 1 verse 21 Romans chapter 1 verse 21 bi o Bible no call mpempen so ayedru no man kan kire wa menue Romans chapter 1 verse number 21 bi o Bible no call it said ya yehu ayehu papa o say o say obi sa no o che wono ma be ma me no chewa ne say we dey one onye Kristo ni onim urade na wanso no won wo so onim urade won wo so tie asase so onim se nyame bi wo so ne se nyame bi ni sura won le to nsu bo awia onim urade na so wanso no bi o Bible no ko Romans chapter 1 verse 21 was they know God, but they did not praise and thank him for being God. Instead, their thoughts were totally nonsense, and their misguided minds were plugged into darkness. Ote. Umuni murade no manso. Umuni. So what you say? Unim pass rade wo. When you pass the Subaya Woodino, I was on some for crying say, or bow to one when I German for and wow and yet. TV 22 no was a work were claiming to be wise. They became fools. They exchanged the glory of the immortal. They were claiming to be wise. They became fools. They exchanged the glory of the immortal God for statues that looks like mortal humans, birds, animals, and snakes. For this reason, God allowed their lust to control them. As a result, they dishonored their bodies by sexual perversion with each other. These people have exchanged God's truth for a lie. So, they have become ungodly and serve what is created rather than the Creator, who is blessed forever. Amen. Was it for this reason God allowed their shameful passions to control them? Their women have exchanged naturally sexual relations for unnatural ones. Likewise, their men have given up natural sexual relations with women and burn with lust for each other. Men commit indecent acts with men. So they experience among themselves the punishment they deserve for their perversions. So what you say? You mu nyame nti ono so wagyae ama fin. Wagyae mu. Nti if mitimi kenka twi ya ka be de papa. Mami try we. When you radio, nanso wansom no. When the so what asase so woni nyame. Woni nyame me kai ayi e de say me made na ka kire me. Omo tie e de say omo tie program bi omo friend on shackles. Na omo tie na akwa bako. Oso wa sakra fa Awurade. Wa sakra fa Awurade a afi o ya. Okwa yesi Awurade se menye se wo se rusu ni too much dodo. Now no matter Awurade so na do not drink. Don't do this. Don't go to party. Oh, there be me and some of Awurade na so rusu no do. Oh, come on. Also, why you say no. As a Christian, you cannot do this. Why? Rusu ni too much. Oh, mu rusu no do. Adam be pega mensa me a Christian. All of a sudden, the Muslim men no monsa. All of a sudden, the Muslim men go club. All of a sudden, the Muslim gambling. What are you talking about? All of a sudden, I have a girlfriend who say, was some young who want the answer. Ne jamamo. And when you make share no that was he came, Nakana didn't copy me or called that hospital for so many months. I feel be by him. Who say, hey, say, Rusu, I make us say, when you my Rus be, I feel the Abrantiana Baba than this of force, I'll be a no cassette. You will be brazy and you will not go point. You will not go Nesu ye need the free no creme. But so when you may water, a call before so back on what to go. I'm not watching a bunny sweet, or back on what to. But so when you may so back on what to what, me she don't know. Let us water pa, and you will be a mobile son. Never be braba Christosuma. They think it's too much rules. It's too much. My back Christosuma. My back Jesus Christ deny me grandma Jimqua. Maybe here I say, Deuteronomy 22:5 say, or by the Shepherd man. What are you talking about? We live in America, don't you think? I'm in London. It's cold. What are you talking about? My baby Christ, all of a sudden you say, thou shalt not drink alcohol. What are you talking about? Because for a second, now what go to me, and I say Proverbs chapter 20 verse 1 was in saying feel for and Sunday and talk opinion you don't want to turn when him answer. Why there's so many rules? This rules is too much. Sir, and until you buy a good name maybe so to when you miss so a jay. So what you say? Obey jay. So we did ya and what do be called deep. Say the bear. When you be back, so we drink and you want to say, what fan who go now so ye Christoni now, sir, a yen your mind a mimpo. When you mention the nigger, and so when you're not there. Cause we are not there, when you saw, I'm a what's the sign from near maybe home. So what you say? Ntitia ultima one casayano, my young show. My young and she show pa and Tanana who go fancy good in the soup because we dear dance yes. What Peter wants us to be Christoni, but still I rules to be a whole Yamimpe. What does so yet? No, Yammy didn't work out. My young show. My young and she show. So what boss some more account to her, and we are far better. Chance over here say ya. Into so many years as also for what better Jesus Christ did. Now that's what you continue to say champion. No, you miss one country inch on what I say. And so when you're in the back, because we are in the back, what till? Into Bonina, and you say, the beer and the papa may pass me into me, Bonia and Penam added the onion bonnet on to Bomobano. So what you say, and a Christopher Fontier, when you made your bow, consider one consider party, I haven't seen a bay or cuckoo be, not necessarily no Sakakra, or when you never consider, oh, sir. You see, you Bible no call Romans, meant something interesting, make a china. Romans chapter 1 verse 21 121 Timmy can catch in the baby the papa or say if we say when you unyankopon and so one channel any munyam se onyankopon na wana no ase na emum wodane ose wodadane ose wona ose wodane dane hu won ensusue emu na won akoma anti ase ose na wakoma eti ase no edurusum ose woye enyansafo ose woye enyansafo ose woye enyansafo no wodane nkwasea na wokas ose de na wansachira onya ose na wansa ankyere onyankopon a wonpro no animunyam ye nipa opro hu ehuni eye mami njampo nko 24 wasi enti onyankopon so jai won ma efin won akoma akono emu se wonmo won nipadua adapa won emu wofri womu efri se wasesa nyankopon no kore no je atoro na wanfre wofre no wansom no maminyina ho odane wo nyankopon ani monyam no ode ne nokore ode je atoro so what you say was nti wo nyankopon so jai wo ma afin yempase beti wo nyame nokore nti ono so wo jai am afin wo mena mpase wo beti wo nyankopon asam fusuo kronkron nti wo nyame so jai am afin instead of see be portray me my papa awo ye national TV so no nam so wo nyame jai am afin nti ye ko sisa sankofo no ye de nya viewers na ye de spolutu nkola mpanifo ye de sewo madwen ye de breaking homes and now baba was this one wo sugar daddy opo obi o sika opo obi o ware no what mechi ne di no wa breaking homes obi ninti ababa wa bi ninti be me betimi bo refie bro ne yire prepare oba no esisa oba no nyema tugu abonten bia ne maka ne ho because of abaya ketu obi nti 18 years 17 years bi 20 years bi na 40 years ono oba na tena no enam se nyankopon ja wo mama wo ja wo mama finti. So what you say? Nti wo cham say na wo preach o mpe. Oduru baby fa na ha fa utiri ha. Fa ye ne say. E ho na ni age na opem madam. Wo wi na wo fra behind the scenes. Mama e te say me pro program ne pa. We you good pa. Me da wase pa. I quite remember Germany one time bi na me program. Me betna so na me twako mema say ni enye phone calls aminya mama no twa we love you so much chesa wo de wo too much mama no twa we love you so much ni nyina ne say they love to hear things like that. When I put it together time na me kasa sa and now I make what the wo say nipa nsakra wo maje no I don't hear from this man, rather they hate me. Ni nyina ne say ona kuma kono nti unyame wagya wo ma mafin wagya wo mu ede wo ma mafin nti se ya atra so what you say ya atra so ene be ma ne yire na tie na ne kon no ne yire biem oba ne kunu na tie ne kon no ne kunu biem ese obi te Ghana no wo chempena wo Canada obi te Ghana no wo chempena wo US obi te Ghana no wo chempena wo edese London ni nyina ne se ye fa phone no wo kasa twetwon bema no so de ne se wo no ho. That's what they do and they call it fashion. Almost say you good nti woni wo kunu betena se wono be ya kam fie du be bia na o duru nyimra wo so computer no osi ho anajodo mienu anajodo nko no medai wo be kono no obi oba besie bi te so twetwon bema you say na o easy the self no about beda nti won fa na yire nye bogen wo de na yeso sa na meyi bi so mi say Facebook ye ba ye emema bebre omo no oma omo kunu omo pe o munya hu bi o baby omo hu se mame no to amigina ana omo jai sa messages no first messages na mema yi bi send na nye small message nyankopon na ye madom na ode me see right track be brain am social media e gu nkofo aware brother wo yire na wo mu no wo na when you good one paso and why me say no me yere kora e say the why ye no no when you good and timi me yere nye say no obi afre no o metuma yo say nti edura na jo be ma ne yere wo so wo miru da paso ni fa ye ho agene e fa kwan ye be fa so asum nyame ye ni e betu tie betete ye ma e wo Kristo sum no wo gyan ne yere no nko ada no si computer ho anajo don koro na be mesi ho na akola ketewa ne yefunu mu ba no ma ne chiche ne be ma wo be nya stroke wo be wuntem meme be brenyinya stroke wo fi se die ntia wo boni be chiwo so na wo nsan ye chire e be chiwo nim wo boni e be chiwo so na wo nsan ye chire so e be chiwo nim to nya me so na wo hwo dako wo the stroke wo the be slapo dako to heart attack wo chiwo ka bi shem na me sre say wo ma woni mra wo so me sre sa mema no so Bible ni sisi ntibia ne de beba na de nam ne so beba no wonue mo na mo mo sei nkofo yire nam na mo be yo mo sakawa mo send messages na yi dia bai na wo yo ba na no kunu nya problem stay away from social media obi pe no obi din komo bi ma wan hwe ya wo kunu bi mu da bra wo yire na wo mu wo bi ne din komo na wo nya huni sister wo kunu na wo fa wo nya hwe no obi ne din komo bi a wo se wo ye me di kura so wo mfa so se wo fi ho ba wo nya huni misre wrade mpempen so ye duro no we living in a dangerous time boni so ebekum boni fo di ni pe biase nipa di wudua no wo betwa di wo betena sase so wo bedua bia no wo betwa ise nipa mpen kura nti wo muti sumu nti wo di boni a omfa ho enne first oberma ifri ne yirachi pe na da ne big news he say wo kunu free wachi na ni na koka na mi kunu free machi a obi be fafon asa didi watem fe free woko adai na dai wo kunu na wo sister ipa wo pa chere say na se be ma so wo free wachi so no so ya news mo betra na mi kunu free machi na mi kunu akochempra na mi kunu nti say ya na wo dai ye be didi watem kura ya dane boni papa ene yama papa ya boni ene obafri ni kunechi ekobo adwaman be ma ne kan ba ko mi no onya nasem mfa nasem fi wo me kai last me say ababa wa ya no wo Holland yo se hia ni kunu de mofi Captain Smart be je ne ya ma papa di awre wo wu ye me se papa ni ye video no bi kura se di papa na tam wo video na se papa ni ye video akjirim keta se se adjuma Captain Smart di no papa na kano na nkofu bi di na tam se oni ve so wo di wiase ne ko papa wu ya Bible is working was to do for be yire no uniti and then the be bre eyesa so obi wu my brother nyame wo hu so obi wu sister onyame wo hu se wo bo wagimpo se wo nya wukunu no kra wo bi kunu ni nyina se wato obi dom die wo bo wagimpo se wo nya wo yire a wo mu fi wo so na wo nton ni nyina se wato obi dom die atemwo bi bo onyame obi chi nipa bi aka se di ni nyumate nse bi se wo mo peti me so me mfa nya unti na me change me message say ya ni ekon say ya because me come man go nyama ekoso no enkoye say ya anajo brother what computer na ni mo pedi o anajo don kro brother enye mpaye na wo bo computer ni ma wusia na judonko a wusi wono wo so wo pa wo ma me na wo papa e wo ho wo ni na wo se na wo hwehwe no computer ni ma na jo wa bra wo nye businessman say me papa mu nka laptop no ka de tempa no so ka wo yire be hu de wo ye so what you say sister anado bre wo te phone ni so e wo kukuom wo so wo je wo ni na wo se wo ho e tie na wo hwehwe wo ho edi na wo hwehwe so what do we kuna tema na no obi apia bonten why papa na sisi ne nkwase amadako uba no uba na won teach ni busa wo say mama what is the meaning of kwase want to man chirim want to man chirim aba ugu no ubetwa ubi me say at the moment awoba ebe sori ni kunu so wo mu ni biem no na bibi wo ho hwehwem brother hwehwem at the moment aberema emfa ne yiri nye boge no de na yesoan opie kura baabi owo se ne yiri kura be fere no ko mfa mi kunu na me cheke wa hwese de ohun sitie wo mfa no nye hwe no bibi wo mu wonya se wo kura nko pe ese mpempen so ye dudu no ebi so na mfa wo hwe wa o mpew no ada se wo de wo beji sikaduro wo mfa ho obi apene wonya ntam esei ememe isha seso mo be chimpna afifa guest young guest ama bebre na dwena yi sikaduro ni nyina ne se sika na wonya no wona dwuma mu ho no enso no woye ketase hye wo bokro no so still se sika na enso no ntidie no obeye eje se wokochi obi moja okokoji sikaduro no wotumenye sika ada se wode ne ba ne bi ba ko bi twa so wotuma chimpna mampra na ye de ni nyina ne se wo chi se ne girlfriend birthday obeto ka bia ma no wo chi se ne girlfriend birthday obeto fie bia ma no nso ne yire woni ne tie plot kura wanyi bi ma no emei bebre ada ne sugar mommy mami e wadi 45 years anka wasa wanu kure nimdie na nka maba wo betena wo nase na wo kire wo made no wo kye ne ti no wo twa aboy ato nchen wo cheliti no wo twa aboy ato nchen wo hia na tade hye no ni nufumu nyina guo nyina ne se on twa mama ba wa ne nkonya no nti wo be hia brantie no wo nyini no ba bia no oja na bodu sei se Osama bin Laden se de be ya wo na wadwe be wo to wo nyini nso 20 kura wo nya obi 25 kura wo nya na wo chi trailer kese ne ma me wo nya 45 die so wo hwe wo na adeja so die abrantia wo se wo beti wo fa nkoya adwuma na wo de wo be fa sugar mommy na wo bi yire sabri ka wo so wo ni kunu tina wo se mi kunu nya de wo mpem na ma mi na no wo chin hotels no wo buru nyamai obi woni ne kunu na bobro anana nse be yoku die mante se yesi e de se papa no ne yire be yoku ato ne boase mesi krusu mi nyo mudimbo wato ne boase agi papa ne aka kire akba maame na ba ne ho counseling ama na aka kire maame ne se wo hu se ne kunu ni bejae ne to no ni kanya maame no ama sabri wo ne maame no ne tie ware maame no dendende ama papa na da ne nsagua dio bebre sanaye boys young boys bebre da ne sakawa ebi ko na maame no ofre no soma no na wakope mala mbia hye nchen maame bi osoma me pese me nya nanim favor me pese me ye no for guess na maame panimu anko betuma wo no afi na maame yes wada ne jimi maame di nti ayo sa de se woni mo wurade ne nso wansom no se ka wo to wo so mo wurade ya nka nipa na se ni oba wo no ntimi nkoye for guess dia wo yo ho na yo se woni da ho woni na wo mo bo last lady bi wa me social media me show na all of a sudden dressing me so to bia me check o mo sa be so wo dia ko so nyina onti o ma blocko ba le woman no ma blocko do me hwe na o ni mudu kakra itu bia bo sa na tade no isi ha utu so wotena se a wo be hu na se nyina wotena se gwom na se nyina wo be hu all of a sudden this is the ni mudu wo cheniti nyina no wa pai boy da no wa pai bia to chire ni edi na ekoso yi wo be chire social media no chope chat to say peni mu nyina gire ne ho sa wo fa ade say selfie ya no gina so na wo to bu ho nkasa yeah mami mantiasie tida ko bi wa mi ye audio ena oba ase no chiro God bless you na say let me call this woman na me friend ma me na me se ma me na te say o si nyame ado na se boko de e de na ekoso e kwa na sister ya sosu minia me fra wa check o se de ohun sitie ade na wusu na me se ma me na se wo dressing bi o social media enkoye e de na free suru bete ba yira ho mamu a ene de o se de o si dressing nka enye fi no sosu o se ma me no to me invested 20 years in our him. Me invest 20 years. Our him. Me yakuma so be kuri mama me kuru se de. O so we dan. Nti wo se me dresses am me so be se me bibi e be hye no. Me so be se me bibi o me kire ne se e me ma so be pe me bi. Oh. Huh? O se ai me be pe ni kura bo 20. Nam se me nua. Omo media rewo papa. Nti papa nti. And as I say the way I have naked. What's the eye, mommy? Oba no so o sorry on nam. And I'm enough for the hour maka. And you want to kunu ha. You want to kunu ha. Nti e ha me sa. Na me be ginger me ho. Na me turu bia na me mpe. Na me say Nam swini. Omo frɛ wo sɛ omo hukunu ha no block wo nyina through Facebook. Wose mama no to aka me kra me block Facebook no na me pese me nim se me block o me ntimi ntie biem nti na me doso wo so na me so nim block wo bia wo de bad news beba through Facebook o afa so delete wo bia no ma a wo frɛ wo kan se message kire wo ni emfa ye ni kire wrade ni emompai efri na Chris address ni jai so wo boko nkutu dwene ma bompai no nyame betie wa sa address we nyina jai se de wo gire ho ne mo nkola na wo mo no mo ha wasua bibi jai ni nyina ni enhwe de wrade baye sister ni sui te sa kola wo sui te sa kola obi so nyane kure tenchen na ni age sister di o wo mo po bebre wo de minim bebia wo de wo nyame tere na ba no a minim bebia wo begina so we invested 20 years in our him now one day so wo be manesu wo be mana tete wunti sister me gene no ho dio wo mo bo na wonya huni you dig your own grave but you didn't see it e you so wadwene se be ma no popa wo mo bo bebre wo ta mo so dia e be se wo no hu bebi o do begina mini woman ni kasaya no se mama ma to amatenam se this is a cruise bebre and on social media how di agora you cry outside they say home cry outside gentility home cry and the social media the be yo whatever will appear as you are happy but home cry outside gentility. When you see things like this, back off and pray to God. I just don't feel when you should be able now come to Jenny when you with you. Sister, and you dinner where you tell boy at on channel. I should send Daddy and Kitten, and I remember who couldn't hear and where you, there you. Who start block who knew Yankupon communication if you don't know? You are blocking between you and God communication if you don't know. Because of the way I'm a pie moon and me won't you. It is a sunny panny boy, Jamaya, young Yanson Kobobi, because we're dressing in Ano, at the age of Mamma, and also so a wabon thing. Was my member to the womb cranny said, Mamma commenting. When we almost see you look nice, to be a woman me chatting. Just as a Tanika such as S will be a direction. And remember, pray. Oh, my man. And then you look nice. Last is a brother be catching me. Mamma not your Miss Ronnie, you look beautiful, no? And now, we just love you, Keke. Pewasam as will be a sister. And you look beautiful, a say, a dream be tired, a chilintia, my acquaint, nay, and come full, Kakra, Namsabra, Miss Robo. Cause who come from who Yamamitia Kono, who was so well in Ma, and Timutia breaking, mammy. So what you say? And maybe they will write be one thing, but they will rather write, you look sexy, you look this, you look this. To remember what you could know, but I didn't be a tired. So what you say? And maybe a see woman, will be wukunu, and so brown born in ye. Now, the young woman say, one casa will wukunu or bring your mind. We are no sans so. Come and see the social media so be too before. Bebre mi humbi. Bebre mi humbi. At the radio station, mi hu almost an emissary. Obi can be a sister near. Last be get lady be friend. No, so my man to her. Sister, she may see or sorry, I was so me as moon and me. Nikuni or anything on Fanam in your bogan or the nice one. And Puna watching or bear managing yam Panaketwa. And a big cannot offer it in a better than the Jumum. Ntimia Casacra me yam sushimi. Nso better not sit pa. Nsim be free na no aba no. Nyasam ketwa. Nso ono what ono we you guilty. Won fani kunu nya boga no de na yeso an. Wo chimpre mu den. And we use one why is a preko. And wo sodu su mema. Bebre that's how they are. Ebi susu ye e de say ayifo afefefo ya last me beka omo asem. Ya ni say wo yira danfo no wo fefe. And na e wo bebre afefe ni ye wo mo desin aware. So what you say? Afefe ni ye bebre de esi aware. Na mema ni bebre nso cheche be ma ni ye wo mo desin se oni ni yire kura be di hyiamu. Ti ba ma ti metina se afe mfie yensa no wonko na yire ho. Edura na joa de o ye ni se wo sete ne computer no o cheche ne ho no o baby suit to chem fa onsa ka fa onsa yese wo wi a watua musika. And you promote to start you. So what you say? And no be hormone ni kunute. Ma me fa to se me mpene, wo se ne ho mpene dia and you meja. Wo mpene dia me kwa bonten na de obema me kwa ma fa ne to no. Nti ejamai ye mu ne hye. Nti onyankopon so wajaye e dia mefi. But look, you mafunu. So what you say? They don't like this. Omumpe. Nenya no sunti. We are living in a dangerous time. Johnny free we say any mu boni bia. Jim ni Johnny to Jesus Christ. Ni we say no kwa we Johnny akoto no o san taw. Asasi ya wonam su ya wo so unchele. One day wonu na mo sa wo so one day koi. Omo se ya preko. Ya preko o twem wo hakra too much. Asasi you need to for man. Kikira na ada fom. Okun. Da ku na mo sa asasi se one day koi. O se nye kuya safo a ono so wo twem wo ha achewo. De bia na kro cha you need to form. Obi yi wo firi ho. So what you say? Ejama mo. TV so and that ko ni mema say na da na da ko ni yesai e mema say ni sedi maame ni si kasa no nso maame ka wo se wanu ikura ni mdie ka wo se maba wa ba wo nchen be die futu nso hwe o hwe se de wan kasa wa ba ho adapa ni nyina de se maame na wote wo no ni ye mu ba na ne da wo be ko na ne ye funu mu ba o na ne da nti wo no wo mfa. So what you say? One found to some me for no or from no catch on this abema de udi back page a wunya. E kuapa. Na wo ba ya kama say wo so my friend yes. Back up. Mo pa di. Mo de kaka ese dwana mo. Na mo nim sa mo de kaka ese dwana. Na wo ba kama te say wo boyfriend ya back on no so what be da. Me da say me sem say ya munya yo. O ba kama say wo boyfriend ya back up. What eh? Ejuma we no wash. Why de Mason? Fusama. Wo why mpapo wa hen edwom. Inyi na yes. Shia kai. Ababa wa de ususu a wo so ye prekwa mo yi, wo ye aponche mo pampa mu mo. Be ma de wo fa wo so kan mo bo ho be miensa enan. Anko yi wa ha, be ko yi wa ha. Anko yi wa ha, be ko yi wa ha. Eno no boa wo e ma bibia ye kama. na de oti won me na bisa ekia na ba akope boy you sorry on na won wa we be na e won ho ababa wa te se wa wo hu gina wo so mpenimfo bi be fa wo ma usika papa tuto fia tuto kasa ma wadam na wo ha ho wo no jimi fo yi ah en o so be wa no se si a wo ababa wa fefefe se wo tran mo bi be wa no se si a no wa se wo chance o so to be do mre se si a wo mo bi kwama ne be wa se wo chance na me say ababa wa bi man ka boy si ko mbe bo mo nsam atchia kai chia kai ko fodi afrawes de mdi wudua wo ba ba chiche wo fa hodie kwa odo ko tena se e be kaka na wo hono gele no wadi ababa wa kama be jina wona mabra ne sese so peso ware mi o peso ware nti en kose wan some mistake ni bi ye ne eyi kioso kura boys ya mo bia maye ku ya papa ti we ko shini first class ko shini shakai oh onya nasem okay can be actual do see one man na odwene o se raba be fa ho adwene fa ho adwene shakai o mbesi so akomo hye o makono wote won ndi wa we be no wo abranti afi na wo be ware wo afi na ne ma me kre be ka chen so won to dan na won ti dan ma afi na ne papa bi be yese to ka ma me ono wote wa afi na wo be hwe ni nyama na wo da be na be duru so a wo di me ken wo so be ware me mo na wote ya wo se ware young girl kama say o se me ko ware e baba papa bi gina de nye free e me metuma huku up ana woni wo de fa no ma na ma me metuma huku up no wa kwafre obi no na ya no get say near the picture ko near tons mommy what on sister wo mo by the time you say you want to marry no the thread no be apɛ wanye so we know penifo wo so man ekura nim die ti hanom Titus chapter 2 was it tell believers to live the kind of life that goes along with accurate teachings. Tell older men to be sober. Tell them to be men of good character, to use good judgment, and to believe well grounded in faith, love, and endurance. Tell older women to live their lives in a way that shows they are dedicated to God. Tell them not to be gossip or addicted to alcohol, but to be examples of virtues. Omumu say na ye example, omu be example like a virtues. Omumu say woman ka womu betufu no papa fu yi womu betum nanti yi fu say won tena na yire ho no won na be ka che ne say oba de wo fa na no amfa bia nka no ho na wajimi e mama me fu ya womu be chim maba we atena se entu womu fo so womu ni womu kunu ni mu ni emre womu ho ase enhye womu kunu no ase womu na womu say wo tena be maba ko ho a enye wo so fa we enware ntem so what you say nti wono ankasa wote wono enema nkoyie tia for no was in this way they will teach young women to show love to their husbands and children, to use good judgment and to be moral pure. Also, tell them to teach young women to be good homemakers, to be kind, and to place themselves under their husband's authority. Then no one can speak evil God's words. Ote, are we teaching them to be good homemakers? No. We are teaching them a quite unbefasone memanda. Memanda the only die say, when in the die say, when in the die say, but a year no more. Now what here itimijina, Debbie? Because you are na say yari bibo na afi untumi ne ukunu hia no so wonyina de so no. Instead of us teaching them to be good homemakers, to place themselves under their husband's authority, no. And that's what Kwasisi said. And then they no restaurant, and ena no aduane wo de wo enye tebe besa wo enyimi sa na brabo ebo na nka kokoko mutoma na wiase sa na tie ohia na mo bruni osi ne ntoma wa America na obe hata na okentampo na se kenye sa pa dia nka branti we ne so ba na usuwa wujina wona so uja mama mfra wose ne sister nyesa wo kan etu bi kra mitimi de me ring e kiro so o ja wasem na da yesi efra wukunu woni e pe wo so wo pentam dodo entra se mane shaw so oso yo mate instead of sister mami be chige not na se ekuya ewiase a wo hunu kakrakai emfa so anko ba bia ena mreso ye ninka so bro mo se shi wukunu se to bo asema no gogo ho kasa kire ni yie no aduane e makomo ne no sineniema yese bro ho ase e ma no na se bibi wo ho a wotumi ayi ama o se da bi o mo ntichi se yo ekuya na ade ma e se dia ya dim ade wotumi ne na yo ya nchira wo mo bo wotumi ne na yo sa na wo si ne da na me de man na krampo obakra wotumi ne me de na atete ho na wo ye de fedro we ma me kunu me ne ko e wo boso krembo na ate ho ababa wo se betina we hu ama na ba sai o itu bi wo so twi fam ho nchai ya nche wo ye guguguba no wo wasesa anema no wo pie fi wo because wo da susa ezo obi won nche obituma hyewa ama na apre obituma hyewo ama na ka ma me no me kai e bi happy me one time I was in a party in Chicago. Me pie ya me yankuba o was mama o worry ntem dodo o worry ntem too much who say ni kwase ka wo Paris nam se Paris ye de o ba kama say won na how you wasting your time e was say ka by na ka wo Paris nam se Paris ye de o Paris for munchuru wo e de ye no Paris ya ma me ne se ka by na ka wo say me wo Paris Oviti kotia no bi hu. Oba beni, omusi o wawari o wawari ntem dodo. That's how they talk, including men and women. Mama penimo was a cool to me for as a young girl. I'm in me kunam. Ka also to me for no what share me kwen me faswa. Me breme was in me kunatina for so long no. Or no share me some wawari ntem dodo. And I had me in the kwase kama wasting me time. Ka by now ka also me wo Paris. Paris, e die ye wo ho. Na wa ukushia sa mami we ya awale na ngui ukushia sa wo ba we ya na no nkure ni ndio debi ekoya wo se wo faso e kasa kire maba wa esisu no woni bi nti sema nyame kan wo ha no wo sori wo ko asori ba na no nkuta sa ni ndie yi bi se papa panimu be chi abrantie e de ne si wo etu ne fo a kire no ko wo be faso a abrabo be ko yi ama no wo be ko na papa paniti wa ni a hihye nsem bia bi na o mu ye potwa sadia wo ko fa wo yire ho asem ba wo no nyina be di na tem wo di agro o be ma do o ba fofra be fi ono na beda wo di agro ono be ye o ba fofra lie e de na ma nka papa me ne me yire nya asem na maba wo na ye panin kami na kire me de menye wo se he na wo se se wo se ma na o maba se se wo kire me sa wo do ne bebreba wo jimi oba wo pese wo nse obebre no ho ase afa obi ka ne ho wonya fa obi ka ne ho pe obesesa naje wan fa obi anka ne ho obejimi se ya nti sa papa wo di agora wo no abefa fon afra obi I am lie what you say because when keep mama forever oja wo mama wo kwem no wonam no wafa mani bia nti wo susu di odi kan adi odi echichie no odi kan nantie nti wo pese wo yese wo no so what you say nti se wo be ma wo futu papa na wo nyame asem e ka no ha no onye bi ye mu bebre ye papa no ka ho bi ni ye ware ye no e destroy ye ye mu bebre ye maame no ka ho bi ababa wa na bafie o se ni woni ni kunu nya kasa kasa maame no hu se be ma no sika no e ma hyew ni nti no ni bukure fu kunu nti wo ba asem nya asem na maame no de duku oba ne ye mo be frɛ ne sisia me phone. I feel some hello, ya preko. Ya ma. Wani ma. When our mama no ujimi no. Ujimi na ye di atete no. Ujimi fun na ye di atete no. Krache nyo na wo me ba ma mi o. Wo ye fun pa wate. Me so wo ye fun pa wate. Ha ye nse be ma kwase ka me se wo kwase a. Wo ye fun. Ujimi no. Ujimi na ye di atete wo fie no. Mfa ma me ba no so wo ye fun. Wo ye fun na me ba na ejimi ntia. Na se e ka mema wo mo ware a wo kan ka ho. Wo ye fun wate. Me se ye nse be ma kwase aka ne. Ka me be ma wo back and front. Wo ye fun pa. Wo ye fun. Wo do pa ma me fun mu fia. Jimi fo. Wo de fun na to say. Ma me kasa say ya. Say no wo pesa brantie no ne ba ne nko no. Nti ge ne to ho a. Wo fi say de ne ma me ye ne eye. One pe boy na se mo da. O shia obi o wuska no ye ine kua na de wa na mami wo be wo fe pa wo na wa ware o me enwene ho awade si obe ono ogina wo no busa no wo to no mo se awade si obe no ware me enwene ho no sha se di dwa de bre mami no o di dwa de bre mami no o me mama mi ni sika mami ni be gina ni naso egu ni ba no wade e de amade other person. Most of them they do it. Come especially nkrata ndio brother ni nkrata ye de na ye twia pia ye de na wo fam ye de ye carpet itietia nanim ni nyina ne se oni nkrata nti no on deserve so wo ben ne ba no ma me ne kasa nanim rough na me ma me na di mi kuna temte nti se na me menka se na menka ti brother ne to wan na ni tutu aka nsem bi ka wo se bi o ne ma me ne kasa na ma me frɛ ne ba no oni ni di nkomo no da bi onye ma me ne be ye saa ne nkofo ma niska on so be ware mi anka me ye nkrata ama no ka me ye sey ama no ka me bi store ama no ka me finish wo dan no ka me ye sey ka me to cement asomasi ebi no de wo mo ma na isi wo mo dan ofie ebi no de wo mo ma die nso emekuntuma ebu ni wardrobe ebu wardrobe no ebi they were selling their children no ne ba na wo si so yesi ne ba no ho fe no wo de na dan standboard no ton ne ba no o ton nti so wo pie na yesa wo be ware ne ba wo so saw free so edu gu fom se wam wo ye fon pa wo didi watem se ne ba na nti na sem no wo kono ne ko ware no wo ba ko mi no djuma wo di bi di wo no wa hwe wo be mo bo bebre ma me foi bebre djuma e bi no mu di wa bruchi ha no in the name of nkrata sika obesi dan ma obesi ma ibi ton ye mai die mo anka wase mo anu kure nim die mo ma teachings mo kasa kire mo mai mo kire wo mo how to be good homemakers no they don't do that. They don't. O see 3 no. We were Titus chapter 2 verse 3. O see mrewanso omu wombra said ye efata nipa kronkron. Woni nsekuro enye nsadua. Won chire nsempa na wode ate emaba adwene o se adwene ama wado wonkunu ne won ma so what you say emere waso komodwumani nkokora so komodwumani so what you say nti kasa wote ase o se kaka che oba no se meti ase mentena se ma me ba wa bi muda ni nyina ne se na se bi o de beba bia nti I love my papa kwa nyamche I quite remember na miswa my sister oni ni kunu titafo be mai brefo bi abra me chew o Italy so what you say brother you just say o do my sister you be an near dance ni 3 year o share the match ni kunu do no a chese wo dwene ho ante ase no ni kunu nya kasa na my sister be fi sata me papa kuta VW VW no was started say pupu. Ah, sister, who were handing tamale, ubete, some papa to car. Gong, no jubre, yadida. Papa be was a bra, no, pumi, papa, Menisu, was a sir. Yo, charming me back, and papa captain to buy, and Mrs. Stajin, I put down a bag. Me papa sa go fata dia shafa ne safwa no security academy enko ukunu okun owia wonsio wana me papa tuka anadobere ene taf oduru ogwangwangwangwangwa asante o se papa uyiri ni kuno owu asie no ate mama ba ya sifiri mekam osi ye na me papa tu nika. From that day I did not see my sister coming back home like that. Up to now Mrs. Tadasuti na wari ase ne bai ba nya 30 years ne ba pani afi na kola ne be wari wan kuchi na nko wo amma ti me friend say hey Sandra mo why ade when you say was ma menya 30 afi na be wari mo wa hye ni munyam wan koya pia kaka fio amfa mre ko wo ma frof bi amegugu ye na so mo ma respect to pa nam so bra wa fa na mam Harry said to say was my nam sis lequens and so ni wo was ma ni wo papa so we say bi be fie yem twema was me kura de me ni bre maduma akola ne da fom say boko nam so ni so ma me nchele ho was yan nam so kunu ofri hen be ba no be war was ofri kuro be so was ofri pias nam ti mo wa ya de mo was ni corona ikura nki ya wari no nam simo nam se na so no da so ko se ma yes baby at so am baby na ko so no e ho na me da so ko nam simo wa ya de unia no so e was ma me so e ho na me ko ma so nam simo wa ya de show which is woman ma me see so wan ko chichina nko wo nkola ne di woman ma ne na mo so ye nchele ye ni rough wojidi passe woko no koye awofun bia ye nchele nti ye se woka se ye ma be complain ye ni nyina ne se ye ma wo mkwa mo nye de ompe eno die wo be complain onya bie na no se wo me ma me o ha agene busa no ko deep no nchira wa de krontia ni nyina ne se wo na nya de abepen na me na di nkwase asem umfa ne fa ho die ma nti de obeka ne se wo nye so wo be ba ye ko adu ade wo be because na me sister ni so na brand bi aba awurade wan you be papa waso watina kumasio akola na tina si 30 years afi no be ware kula ne nsa na oduma nso ne ye ma me mu bi jeja wo mama so what you say na ni pass me si konyem ye ono kra ne ma me pepe na asem e no ye say ono kra ne ma me pepe na asem sa konyem na bra ne be I quite remember me mama ka bi kire me tama misiso o se bra no me kan wasem wonne nam ho mo ye wona ho fe se woni na konyem ba nkrama bi die gya obi me ya mfa sam kosesem na mama fie wote de me kan tu de nam ho no nya ho fe se woni na konyem ba fie ha krama bi die gya obi nti na me nimbe bia me fire enso ne yesu soso ye jijiso ye wia ne fosa dwama ma no ne na kugina sori dem na sofo ato ne bo ase ni nyina nsa maame ni wosika ni esa de kugina nyame ni ni ehye nyame ebufuo so what you say and no you made it TV so eyi wo mu eye niema nsem fata last ye ntia and wo bi say yes prophet bi a hye nkom say when the share was an one will be meboa. Yet yan you who what you saw them to Yaminum, Yeshira was a few or meboa, could dinner me hofel. And now say, no, and you be a Nabra what to say. When you be in Senate, you who poor be a Nadia was say, and they say, Ebony. Will be sure who comes out with you to make a dress on them. Your mamma for not to Yaminum. Radio, Naso man, someone. They know God, but a man shan any munyam. They know, but a man shan any munyam. Ye didn't ye may, until you not know Bema no found. asomdwem na nke yetima tena se atete ye ma dabi obone press de ope so what you say nti wona ne background na kola ne tene ka front mu hia o ba bia na mama high five ni nyina ne say ne ba no ko abonte kotwem pona ba wo mfa woni wa baba woni beda wo fie kwa wo mfa ye jenja ni wo Christian homes sanete wo Kristo ni ba asori penny mami na ne ba ene ne mpana ne tie wo kokon se tie abrochire anya bia Christianity ono wo fa ho ni abrochire abrabo anya bia chaka ba na Christianity ni abrabo ayi abrochire ewo so what you say nti wei nyina ene ekoso ene ye ni futufo wo mami ye obetufu we ye ni tia pa ya boy ato nchen wo date 20 years boy at the age of 45 okay can go 50 they call themselves cougars okay they call themselves cougars ti boy no so be hia no we jana body se Osama bin Laden no ti mami aya ne se ne driver woni ne mami ne da brother won chew wo be wu fefefe onche se de ware wo mami ade jaso no onche eyi onyame echi wade wo be ye mobo nti ye fa wo ma no ma betena ye fa mami bi a wo bone to brazier wo fa niema ho wo chiri ton maya ye na be TV so see what you say last me nkote o mo se girl your friend say na ba na moa nti na me se school no nye school ni na eyi nyansa nyame nyansa is better than school nyansa TV so kambrofo akese ni nyina ne se wa fa ma omo oton wo esle meboa mo kan chem se meboa enenam YouTube meboa sabri ko ti we nke bia ka waware nke ye pa but they don't want to do it all these delays they promote evil they promote a jamamo that's what they promote cause we know about so your interview na tadi dan happy no fu nyina go on mfa so what you say nti akola we ko ware ye nan say wo twa na wo friend say fela make fu you say fine gene wunya nta so what ye jamamum e wo so ma be ma no ko tue ni tira de manager no they insult her wo friend na ware ye ni say PTA ekuya pimpo no ya osori ade bia no obu atopasa kotra otare da ho obeka bi se girl no aye wedding PTA wedding na se ko no ankasa PTA wedding no so oye bia kenye ne se onama obu atopa ba bia no they polish money ni e dia ya papa nti ukoka you say why are you talking like this ye ma me no ne papa no so metu yefu ebi no madane nsagiam ebi no madane omu promote adwamamo tititi so because I know we are ebe ma platform meti ayi me kasa fi for bema ye ne say e wo say one ne da say e wo say one ne da say they will give me platform nansi ye say TV3 wo boba anamante what they say saman se woman for mema ye omo say wo mo de wo mo be fa wo mo ho to wo me da no wo mo ho mema yi omo so wo mo be interview wo mo abusa wo mo what they go through sa TV3 kamba ye mo say eye pass mo twa say na samodi ba bi mu so wo se kire mo say eye o man na ebi TV no Africa ye ma kwan ye mfa paper ne pen ko si so say o ayi e de say ya gi atum nti woni hu kwan say o de betena TV so ka wo se mo TV ni ye collapse no so what you say and ya ma hu kwan and ye busa wo mo makosem and ya na ai and wo hia wa no mo se kwadwo besia and na me ka chere say hey raba ahwe yi no be dane da no ho be jimi sei na ye ma no mo hwe by mapa wa wo matu onya tu ho ache mrantie a yesu nyame e kasa ma urade no they will never give them platform they won't do it nti de bia de umu na ne say ne wiase ne ko nti yem follow nti kenye mama zimbiti me chi sofo Pastor Parkins but na TV so what did they say ye we ni say ye we used to wear the soft mo ndi o man ne ko me sre ready say wo ye mobo e jama mo ye mu ni we daya me fi sikadro who your mobo. And so you do. We are living in a dangerous time. Man can't show a minute. Some man can't show a minute. Mammy follow. Would you come Abraham boy and a boy you? Uncle you, Tika, what did the uncle you know? Every two your all banner for said by uncle Tom and Anna who told you. Where did Debbie or only the uncle you or some better say, also do this? Then the Bamusika. Necessity is seeking now. No, Shrinek will Musa Christonia or quite. Or quite. Wabra Mary Magdalene, one of the new see tents and will bring your mind. We share yes, one you could touch me, who could obey our Sunday in the Juma. To Shiana Ustika or to me. What professional. What did you see tent? What brother see from Penamawanye? And so no whom could turn into to me see tent. A year you may walk for a sea when a big fetch a call conenda. But we share yes to Christono, whom meaning to two, Emma one coffee, or two Fiona, no mamma Mary. Then the memory ever was our coin was a mammy Jan. Mary, no, only me personal, Yammy Mary, Monsieur, or better maybe. So what you say? Sunday come. Miss Rade, so we are mobile, and Pempens way do. Miss Rade, so we are penning for mobile. Mobile, what money, no baby yedru. No one to my song, get one him, I'm yapija, and yes, Adia, the Edru, the he says he can't independent. I dear promoting Kofu TV station and one radio station. Sebe say or minor, Sebe say moon collar, Sebe say moon penny for. They don't care, all they want is money. Yes. Nti sakola de ne ma mi logistic draw on uniform. Sa baba wa de ni kunu be me logistic draw on uniform. Sa brantie de seka ko won yere no wo kunu no de logistic draw on uniform. Sa brantie de ne ba e logistic draw on uniform. So obi ko chi obi moja e de logistic draw on uniform because all the minds are sika. Enti ne obi be Christo sumu no the Bible ato ne na so no ye malam. So what you say was to be a default, and so no way, Malam. Nina say, or Pentamina the home. In you, it is to say, are you? Mranti and Muri. And Maba one is Muri. Most women didn't go for much money. And ne, so what do we connect a jay in Siwobin? Franosisia, someone in a jay. So what do mammy be a bit my woo? Who didn't achieve what funny sugar mammy and ne? So who put the demand, jay and connection him? I did be our demand, enough is enough. So what is Facebook? Now they ma or what for? Chatting, say the mayor more be wise. Quit it. And yes, I will never be free to Musrabi dinner. What? Ababa wana brother, what fra went and I do the sumo donko. What did a computer no so wire chicho ha. So when I want here stroke be bow to them. One she you obey your mobile when you go free through my castle when I'm you wouldn't make a satchel. A cocobon haba. So we bet ye now bet you off you when you may be mobile. Let's also want ye now the woman must be in Cosia Sama. You are digging your own grave. Me come chill. Mpempenswa yedu ni Yesu Kristo woba. We are living in a dangerous time. We are living in the last days. And danger is ahead of us. Me go to media and America and omuye ejisai protest ye omuye nipa ni omufo. Ye wo omuye protest say police ni no okun akwa no. Wo nku no kwa mpapa so enye omo ho. Ene ye wo omo a aban no oteso no omo mpe no. Okay, they hate it. Any more a Christopher no maba no crana or more na Christo na papa na do no they don't like it. Any more per se or move nti close to be do one Jim. Oh, my brother, be two at the say, oh, abontain. Oh, yeah, the saying, tum for a here, tum for your master. Be brenekuta or majanda. So what you say? Ye nipa yes we do African me kaipa Africa me modern set platform ninti me modern obedi ade ye yonko tuntuma ba oba bedi ade ye ni age adana me dafo muni mo ho saka wosamre bi sesa okurum ha nka wono na wose ko sesa mra na oba ade no ye tumu yi abai bia ba na otwam tuntum nko abai na ofa pen ne paper na osan tumu na ki fi se wo be san bibi na nka bo tuntumfo na wo mo ne fitafo nyina ye baako papa ye ntuma anye sa obai a fa hodi ode be ma nkofo bi ni se tumufo na wo be ma wo mo fa hodi na wo be si ye so nti ko anhye ye ma na nkofo bi etu na mabonti wia niema ye booster me se nkofo su ewu TV so de wote ye ante no te baby no okasa na o ma ye say me ka me kire o de akoso okroma ni obi a o na oba e o mo hwe abrofo no kra o mo petuntumfo masa o mo wo ma agenda o fa abai no otiso no mo mpenase ni ye pekọ ebi di ho age bibi mu abrantie ne yakosie no afa di nti no mo da so bu montes ubaka wa pull your son or your daughter out from them ni yobu me se obi afa ATM machine wo wia ATM machine di mirika o di mirika o pia de no he na chi te se kronfo ko wia de no o hwehwehwe na chi na bus ba o di bi wura bus ni bus na mfa no na bus di tuye o gire mo hwehwehwe na chi na de mu ye enne be mo aduma mo sa sai ade no mo sai ade na kura sa mo se mo pesi ebu mu a nti de mu ye be mi ebu mu mo se ye kum obi mo nti ase mo ye ama ne mo sesa na fe danta mo wa mo bu nkofo stores akese eyi mu ne mo de kwai ebu ade sai Gucci for store wa bre we Louis Vuitton store bag ba ko dia fukura $1,000 no mu wiye wo mo niema no wa bra sabri we say ye den ye see nipa more than 100,000 e wo krum aye pe ko ibi so sikasama ko fom na fe di mu wiye ya afi na mu cheja nti police ni bi be kan was that was the first time police ni pe ni be gina TV so bo Jesus Christ din was ampa Yesu Kristo bae wa nya hye so wo mota e die na ya wo mo se wo mu cheja to police station bia nti so police station police ni bia ya dia nti wo si chop ija etum sesen kofo ebi so wia kaso ebi wia kas dealership fo be kan kura ye wia wo mo kas wo wia kan na ye dia kosi baby ni tutu mu niema na ye ton bubu kofo small businesses ye se wo nyuma enti we be ye bu mu just so mo change mindset no mo dwane to awurade akwadro so baka ena ye tuntumfo na wo koma wo no check wo musuma so boy na wo mutimu no sa na ibe treat wo nti akromfo no mo ho agim wo hiri ya no wada o mpa adwuma niemofunu na ekoso na nka da mi se me buafu afi de me neba kudu niema papa wo na mi twa to mase no nyansa be pa ne wo mu nyansa be ne wo mu so what you say Mr. Ready so me say woni Yesu Kristo a kan ho dwane kwoto Jesus baby ye duru ne hu baby ye duru no ehu wa bra tuntumfo tuntumfo so wo nyina baby wo nyina ya na wo te no tuntumfo mo bi to ho ni ye drafting no basketball player o tu free ho mo musa wo mo se o fita bi enku wo mo ne bahudu de bi o mututu tenten no tu fita fo de be so mo nsa mo mututu wo mu kum wo mo si bibia wo mu kum wo mo asi bibia enti se wo mu na wo ye yi pe e wo so tu free wo mu e di enti na wo mo ye yi na mo tu Mumusa LeBron, say, LeBron bet my cockle now where I hope you. Mumusa, Mumusa the one way to say, Sabri or Wusicano, Area no baby at 10 and say, I guess I'm got no better now, want to know, even cool. So, play no more. Nti se hoya, nkabe no ye ya. Last minute me to ken. Akola young boy. Episode 20 kro nyenyan. And he had drafted abofra. Football. Ya drive for no more celebrity. Abranti ni pia bonti ya boni tuyo kun. Ya boni tuyo e kunu ni yonko tuntum me say me kase me bo awura mu a me dig too much. So what you say? See your sister ya dream enwani anto Jesus Christ. Me say ade no wo ho enye ye hunu. Ye be penti ni say ye papa. Emenne African countries nyina ene yese wo mpetuntu musa mutuntumfo no musa wo musu ban eti say. Ye yakuntufo ye dimra so chen wo. Ye hwe ye hu ye chen wo. Sabra mububu wo munyuma no. Nti wo so wo mama modwuma nye. Menyini omo mama modwuma nye. Mo sa say ade ne kora. Misre wade so wo hu ye mobo. Woni Kristo jane to Jesus Christ. Only ignorant omo bu omo ne egu bibi so na behu se ne ekoso no eye fe. Me say ye wo omo a de ekoso no enye me ankasa me hwe a me ntumi hwe. Se de ye woni pa boni e wo fita mu no sa ne woni pa boni e wo tuntum mu. Tuntum ne ekoso no wompe. Nka me de mu nyina na ti de ne be good. Ene ya draft me be ye millionaire afa de die ni tuo. I have drafted me all of a sudden. Me shine a human as in Menesika. Tay Yakumi to watch me. Into Musa almost says, oh, yeah. I don't know when you see Kamu true. I got to the fit off. After bodyguards, Omuko, one baby, your woo woman to tell my family, Omuko had just a bodyguards to come home. A dear, your young colossal. Miss Rivera, this one, we are mobile. Miss Rivera, this one, Sonny Mary. Miss Rivera, this woman, don't know so my. Mr. Ready so me ni na ye hu ba bia ye duru ni dwane akoto ano wo pie na ni monyam a ya nya yiraba Jesus Christ me da wose e hye wani monyam ye okese se ne da yinso na memu aka nsama entese Mr. so boy na yi asemi nkugu asase paso na nso mo ho na wo pie wani monyam a ya nya yiraba me da wose so wa fa memu adi dwuma so entese eni monyam ne ayeye en ase ne nkamfo enka udin e wo ye ne ready Yesu Kristo din amen. Upon we did push ye another message. You do a much here, another message to the old yanko, Monium Cacanium. Penso ye drew no. Niman coy. Who can say how? I don't know, Cassasa. I mean, so hard, you know, or patch say, who beat me deal. Evidence in United to me back, the pass me see a deal. A police for each other, near lawyers, no more bois. You mean you be a mob. Pensoy drew. In your bocosa, in your betesa. To Tibia, ya to was if we need to form. Never, in ba. Penumbia bomb,